In today's fast-paced world, artificial intelligence, or AI, continues to revolutionize the way we live, work, and communicate. From self-driving cars to virtual personal assistants, AI is transforming our daily lives in countless ways. In this video, we will explore 5 groundbreaking changes driven by artificial intelligence. So let's dive in. First, AI is reshaping healthcare. With its ability to analyze vast amounts of data, AI can detect diseases and provide accurate diagnosis faster than ever before. This not only saves lives but also reduces the burden on healthcare professionals. Second, AI is revolutionizing transportation. Self-driving cars are becoming a reality, increasing road safety and efficiency. AI-powered traffic systems can optimize traffic patterns, reducing congestion and promoting smoother commutes. Next, AI is transforming our devices. Virtual personal assistants like Siri and Alexa are using AI to improve our daily routines. By learning our preferences, they can anticipate our needs and become an invaluable resource in our households. Additionally, AI is enhancing customer service. Chatbots, powered by AI, are providing instant support and handling customer inquiries efficiently. This not only improves the overall customer experience but also reduces costs for businesses. Lastly, AI is making strides in education. Adaptive learning platforms use AI algorithms to tailor educational content to individual students, maximizing their learning potential and fostering personalized education. As we have seen, AI is bringing about a wave of revolutionary changes in our world. From healthcare to transportation, devices to customer service, and education, the impact of artificial intelligence is undeniable. Thanks for watching this video on the 5 ways artificial intelligence is changing the world. If you found this information fascinating, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Stay tuned for more emerging miracles brought to you by the power of AI.